Good afternoon, family. It's election day. Just want to show y'all how the market's doing on forex trading, how different countries reacting. Look at all this bullish. Selling, jab, boom. Been banging all day after these charts. Let's set up more charts. See if I can get y'all alerted in before. Get off this video. Let me just set up some more charts. See that? Boom, boom. What you get from the forex? Take losses, take short gains, and the market to shoot off. These Swiss pairs been going off lately. Look at that spike, boom, spike. Still trending. What I'm looking for is over the 50, over the 200 on all three charts. Once you see it on all three charts, then you see New Zealand. Swiss franc. Okay. That's on the record to be traded. Look at that thing. That bad boy is trading. One minute chart. Over the 50, over the 200. RSI is way up there. But when you go down to the daily, you see the daily chart. RSI is almost at 70. But it spiked all the way up to 90. And that was on August. Mid-August. No, that's beginning of like September. But you see on the daily, big bullish candlestick broke past last high. Go back down to 15, finish setting up these pairs. It's just trending. I just set your alerts up, man, because you never know when the market go bang off. You know what I'm saying? You never know. It looked like it's coming up on the daily right here. This is a daily chart. This is a 2-hour chart. This is a 15-minute. Okay, we got the Chad Jap moving. Must have hit the 15-minute chart. Still wanting to break past the last high. To me right here, this is the last high. The last highest candlestick wick. I wanted to break past that before I even traded. And then I'm looking for short gains. 10 to 50 pips with a trail stop. Automatically get in, automatically knock out. Entry position, meaning once it hit a certain level it automatically knocks me in the trade. Put a trail stop up. I want to see when this one will start moving past that last consolidation before it spiked last time. Entry level is, once you get to a certain point, it knocks me in the trade. Trail stop is when it follows the market. So, for instance, if I wanted to get in past this consolidation, I would say right about here, this candle, if I put an entry in at this candle, I would put the entry in about that level. I would put an entry in about that level. It will follow the market, boom, 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 with my trail stop, boom, 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 boom. I would leave my right about here below this red candle. See how this red candle trending? Once that red candle hit that line, it automatically knocks me out. Let's see if it'll do it real quick. See, like that. You know what I'm saying? It hit that line right there, boom, automatically knocked me out. I take profits. Okay, we're getting alerts on the euro. Euro jab. Come on, euro jab. You gotta show me. You gotta show me you want me to trade you. You gotta show me you want me to trade your euro jab. I can't just be trading you because you go out, baby. You know what I'm saying? Let's set a couple traps in there real quick. See what you go do. You passed the, you coming up on the daily. You're over the 50. You're over the 200 on the 15 minute. You're over the 50. You're over the 200 on the 2 hour. And you're coming up on the 200. You just passed the 50 on the daily. You're coming up on the 200. I would trade you. Once you show me you want to be traded. So, other than that, let's look at these franc pairs. Put some alerts in. See if we can get some bullish action going off. These boys been shorting the market real nice. Let's see if we can get some. We're coming up on the 200, coming up on the 50, coming up on the 200. These RSI is 60. RSI on the daily is 53. You can run some steam up in there. Just came up over the 200. I mean on the 50. Just came up over it. Seeing consolidation. Looking forward to break past that level. Once it break past that level, I would look for a short-term trade on it. Same way I'm doing with an entry. Trail stop to follow the market. Small gains, small loss. When it hits you with a spike, you go get that. You know what I'm saying? Because these, now, what I want to do is break out consolidation, and I want to spike, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? But if I'm only looking for small gains to stay cash flow in the market, you know what I'm saying, with small losses, every now and then you go get this big boom. You know what I'm saying? And even if you get, say you in right here, you put it, you get in where it break out right here. It broke that with that. It was a faker. And then you got to stop up under this little bit of consolidation right here. That's a small loss. But you know, you break out of consolidation here. This consolidation, you break out of consolidation here. You get this big spike, boom, boom. And, you know, you're in the game. Every now and then you're going to get there. But it's always risk management. That's the key to the trading game. Risk management. Risk management. And I'm a momentum trader. I just invest in assets. And I don't have time to be learning all that Elliott wave, harmonic balance. I mean, them guys the guys in the chat room, they really banging. And if you want to know about some chat rooms, just hit me up by time. But they be in there really banging, you know. Look at that. Breakout. You know what I'm saying? Over the 50, over the 200. Remember that. Simple moving average. See if we can break some more. Election day. They say Trump and they're going crazy. Trump done filed lawsuits and everything in Vegas or something like that. Crazy. Word is, if Hillary win, the market is go in bullish mode before it really tanks. If Trump win, they saying that the market is go haywire. I don't know. I'm not into all that politics. I live in America, but I love the world. And trading is somewhere you can do it anywhere in the world. Anywhere. All you need is a laptop, phone. I trade on my phone. I use my laptop to set everything up. I can teach you how to do that too. You know. But yeah, it's really all about momentum trading to me. Because while I'm not trying to sit in front of no charts all day, you know, one of these alerts hit me is just like a phone call, except it's saying make this money instead of, you know, all the other things people talk about on the telephone, you know. But market looking pretty good, man. This one right here look like it's finna come up, but you can see where it was consolidating on the daily, so it ain't gonna be too much of it spiking off too quick. But that euro dollar, look at that. They call that a gap. The market consolidate like that, and then you see that big old gap in the inside right here. Call that a gap up. Okay. But that's what the market's looking like on election day. November the 8th, 2016 at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm in the trade room with these guys. And they say it's going to be a long day. So, like I say, let's keep your stop losses up. And let's trade. What the fuck happened?